Just like any other high performance athlete who has only one clear objective to meet, winning the game. And to do that, he needs to focus and train the whole day and sometimes even night. Content marketing is no different. Do you need objectives to stop you from drifting around all over the place and veering off into the darkness? Hey guys, my name is Sumit from PaperVideo, and in this video we will discuss 3 golden content marketing objectives to become successful. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and educational videos. You can also turn on notifications by clicking on the bell button to get notified every time we upload a new video. Many brands just put out content without having a clear goal. So we'll go through 3 content marketing objectives and I'll tell you exactly how to hit them and why. So let's get started. But first, what exactly is content marketing? According to the Content Marketing Institute, content marketing is a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience and ultimately to drive profitable customer action. Content marketing varies from brand to brand. What works for one may not work for others. But there are some common objectives that all the content marketers simply have to follow to be successful. First is brand awareness and building. Competition is stiff out there. As a result, content can simply just be clatter. And when someone reads your content, you want them to wonder, wow, how can someone write like this? You want them to be aware of your brand through the fascinating content you send their way and want more of it. First and foremost, you need to consistently create high quality content that speaks directly to your target audience's pain points. This will position your brand as a helpful super expert in that area. Be consistent. There's no use in just putting out random pieces of content. A blog post, a white paper here and there, and an ebook 6 months later aren't going to make people happy. It is necessary to have a consistent strategy for creating value-driven content. Let's take a look at the essence. Keep a content list on the go and plan. Repurpose your content. Be valuable. Always listen and understand what your audience is trying to say and what problems they are facing. You can make this possible by social listening, surveys, buyer insights, focus groups, etc. Generating leads. Let's not be modest about the fact that we are doing all these for the leads. Our objective is to get all those readers into your content marketing funnel and push them along in an effective way. Developing a content marketing funnel is the key objective because it focuses on enchanting the reader to the point of them being ready for the sale. In summary, you want to stimulate their interest at the top of the funnel and draw them in with fascinating content that immediately solves problems. In the middle of the funnel, you cultivate these leads more and make them aware of your brand's authority and expertise with value-driven content. At the bottom of the funnel, you get a chance to ask for the sale. In the end, they will feel comfortable trusting you and see the actual value in your offering. This leads us on to our next objective, enhancing organic search visibility. Google receives over 3.5 billion searches per day, which comes down to around 80,000 per second. That's why content needs to include keywords if you want it to come out on the top and stand a chance of being visible. Using tools like Google's very own keyword planner will help you to discover the keywords and phrases your audience is searching for. Keep in mind, poor keyword usage can damage your ranking in Google. Remember to avoid keyword stuffing like the food you eat. If you have got keywords in every other sentence, Google will not be happy about it. And it's kind of irritating to understand content stuffed with keywords. Check out 3 golden rules. Please listen carefully. Use the keyword in the title of your content. Use your main keyword in the first couple of sentences of your content, or at the very least in the first paragraph. Use variations of your keyword throughout your content. Ultimately, you have to write for human beings first, not for some machine AI program named Google. You want your content to be relatable, and above everything else, you want it to be understandable. If you found this piece helpful, you will love a more in-depth post on content marketing objectives to become successful now on papervideo.com. You can find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share it with your friends, family and colleagues. Leave a comment if you enjoyed the video and what topic you would like to see a video on. Thank you so much for watching.